I have some Home Depot deals that I want to share with you guys today. Some really good tool deals that you're going to like. We're going to use the YouTube shopping links for this video, so you'll see those popping up as we go throughout. I have about 15, maybe 20 deals that I want to share with you. First up, we have the DEWALT MAXFIT 1-inch carbon steel driving bit set. It's a 28-piece set. Look at that. Normally $13 down to just $4.50. You can see they have a kind of weird graphics going on with this because they show the empty case here and they show all the bit rails in this graphic here. I'm assuming the bit rails come in the case. Oh, maybe just like that. So $4.50, got 200 available, so lots for you guys. And of course, we're going to get free shipping on that DEWALT deal. Next up in Milwaukee, we have the multi-tool oscillating blade kit. It's a 5-piece kit, again with the handy-dandy case. You got the multi-material, the wood, and the extreme metal. That's the nitrous carbide blade, so I can cut through all sorts of stuff. Get some cast iron maybe even on that one. Titanium charged, or so they say. Normally $87, $85, but we got a special buy down to $29.88. 5-piece set, 580 available. Of course, the free shipping, 66% off. Next up, one of my favorite items, I have this set myself, the Bosch Daredevil high carbon steel Spade bit set. Normally $25 down to $8.55. Love the threaded tip. Rips right through those 2x4s, running some new lines or something. Much better than the little pointy tip. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. It's only $8. Couldn't go wrong. 570 of those available. Again, the 9-piece set. If we look at the 18-piece set, it's $30. So all the way up to 1-inch down to 1/4-inch. Got a RYOBI Days deal for you. I know we talked about these previously when they first were released, but, you know, some people don't see that video. You got new people coming along. Maybe people aren't aware or just forgot. So we'll just touch base super quick on this RYOBI deal. You're going to get a 2-amp-hour battery, you're going to get a 4-amp-hour battery, and you're going to get a free tool. So it is the best way to get yourself into RYOBI's lineup, or just get you some extra batteries and a tool you've been wanting. So $99, the 2 batteries, and the charger. We have 13 different options available. We'll just give it a quick scroll, and you can see all of our different free item options that are currently available. I could really use that fan right now. It is hot. Hot and humid. Terrible. RIDGID deal. 18-volt cordless 8-tool combo kit with the 2-amp-hour battery and the 4-amp-hour battery. Normally $9.58. Boy, that sounds steep, doesn't it? I mean, it is an 8-tool kit, so I don't know. But down to $2.99 as a special buy. I know the RIDGID fans, you know, people who like RIDGID really like RIDGID. And it's like the flex people. Flex people super into flex. RIDGID people, they're on that hill and they're dying on it. But we got the 4, we got the 2. You're going to get a drill, impact driver, you got the vacuum, reciprocating saw. I really like these little compact, one-handed kind of guys. They work really good for pruning trees and stuff too. LED light, who couldn't use that? Little spot blower, circular saw, orbital sander, getting the charger to go with it. Got 235 of those available. I want to show you that so you know things are in stock, ready to go. I'm not trying to buffalo you with an amazing price on something that's out of stock, because other people do that. RYOBI 1 plus 18 volt is another RYOBI Day deal. Got the Performance Starter Kit. This time you're getting 1, 2, and 2 4-amp-hour batteries. So getting 2 of those big boy batteries. This one's going to be $179. You also get a free tool with this, but we have a little bit different selection. Remember, the first RYOBI deal had 13 total items. Now we have 20 items, and of course, being 7 more, there are some different ones here for you. Anytime you see the HP, it's going to be a brushless tool. It's kind of top of the line for your RYOBI lineup. Definitely not going to go with something cheap like the light. If you want the light, just buy the light. Look for some high dollar value item or something that doesn't go on sale too often. Like here, this brad nailer would be a nice little option for this. 20 different options here ready to go for you. Husky, we see this one every once in a while. It's always a Black Friday deal. A lot of different holidays like the 4th of July stuff going on right now. You can get in on this mechanic set. It's a 280-piece set. You got both SAE, my favorite, no sarcasm, and metric. Of course, comes with the toolbox. Only $99. I'm sorry it doesn't have the old price. You know, usually it's $199 and it's half price. Let's see if we can get it to actually scroll where I want it to over by the image here. Okay. Mouse overs. Love them. Love the mouse overs. Please, more. Give me more of that, Home Depot. We're going to get ratchets here. You get 3 of those, quarter, 3/8, half-inch drive. Bunch of standard sockets, 65 of those. You're getting 24 of the deeps. These little specialty sockets, you really want those nowadays. Between the Torx and the hexes, lots and lots of stuff are using those. So you're going to need them, especially these hex. I love those little hex key internal hex type bolts because once you round them out and then it's a round head on it, especially when it's in a tunnel, oh man, they're fun to get out then. They're so much fun. They're so much fun. Adapters, extensions. Now the only thing we don't like is the other tools section, 146. You're getting a lot of bits and a lot of these hex keys. Husky does it, Cobalt, Craftsman, Gear Wrench. Everyone who has like a big kit like this with this little toolbox fills it with a lot of fillers, so you just got to kind of expect that it's going to happen. But $99, special buy right now. Another RYOBI deal for you. Well, a RYOBI deal anyway. You got the hybrid 7.5-inch fan with the 2 amp hour battery, getting 2 of those 2 amp hour batteries at the charger, and a free item. Now, since it is hybrid, you should be able to plug this into a wall outlet or run it off the battery. But I'm looking for a graphic that shows, well, there we go. It must be in the butt. So you got the outlet in the back. The old DEWALT fan that was very similar was hybrid. DEWALT upgraded their fan. They upgraded their fan so that you can't plug it into an outlet anymore. You have to use DEWALT batteries. So that's super unfortunate, but RYOBI, they got your back. $129, you get the fan, you get 2 2 amp hour batteries. Have 12 items here as far as our free items. I'm probably going to go with the Jigsaw. Let's go Jigsaw. What do you say? Got another Husky deal for you, the Ratcheting wrench set. This is the SAE variation or version. 7-piece, normally $57, down to $29.97. These are a fixed head, not the floppy flex head, and they are not reversible, so you have to turn it around. Don't loosen a bolt into a frame rail, because you'll be having a bad day. You do not have the switch to turn that thing around. I'm just going to have to get the old grinder out, maybe. And a new bolt. So, 115 of these available. Of course, you can buy online, pick up in store. Looks like we get a little organizer rack to go with it. Starting out at 3/8 inch, all the way up to 3/4 inch. All the major sizes that you may need. If you're unlike me and you prefer the metric variation, that is on sale as well. Normally $57, down to $29.97. It's another 7-piece set, fixed head, no switch. 119 of these available. Looking at our sizes, we get the handy dandy rack, just like the others. Starting at 8, getting that 10 in there. A couple of skippies, all the way up to 18 millimeter. If you're looking for no skips, you're going to have to keep looking. This one skips. Jack stands. We don't see a ton of jack stand deals, and these are a little expensive, but they are 6-ton jack stands. Your most common everyday jack stands that you'll see are 2-ton. So for a little bit more heavy duty, maybe you got a truck, tractor, some kind of equipment that's nice and heavy, you need to have some better jack stands. You don't want it to crush you. You might as well just pay more for jack stands because that's cheaper than dead. $69 down to $48.99. Lots of these still in stock. Let's see, how much are the 3-tons? 3 tons are $50. Couple bucks more, you're getting the 6 tons. 2 tons right now are $25. So we do have those other variations. If you click on the link and then check those out. A nice wide base on it. I like that they add the little plates here. You've got your little double lock-in security pin guy. I actually had my Harbor Freight Jack come down on me one time. I was like, ooh, jack stand. I don't know what happened there. Didn't they get recalled? Maybe I had a bad one. I think they got recalled. Not on me, obviously. I'm alive, but while using it. Lufkin, 3/4 inch, 12-foot quick read power return tape measure. Normally $14.99 down to $8.97. Under $10 for your 12-foot tape. Sometimes I like these little shorter tapes. You got like a 30-foot tape. Hell, you can have one of those 100-foot reels. They're too big, too bulky. Don't need that. What if my project's only 8 feet? I'm going to go with a 12-foot tape. So we got 454 of those available. It's under $10. Lufkin, quick read. Let's see, do they have a better image of what the tape looks like? It has our all our markings here, but it's kind of weird that they make it white when the tape's yellow. Think it has anything underneath it? Does it have anything? Not going to tell us. Another Crescent deal here. Got the canines, getting the dogs out. Straight jaw, tongue, and groove plier set. Dipped grips. Gotta love a dipped grip. I have to dip my grip. $56 down to $36.97, saving 35%. About $12 each on these guys. I think it's 8, 10, 12. Is that what we're thinking for the inches on those guys? K9 classic groove joint design, not the push button adjustable design. Straight jaw, not the V jaw. Let's see, does it say? 8, 10, 12. So there it is, guys, the latest Home Depot deals. Now, I found every one of those deals on my website. You go up to Home Depot here and then find the button for the best Home Depot clearance and discounts page. This updates every single day. You can see it updated at 1:36 today with the top deals available. You can go by brand. You can search something if you want. You can go by dollar savings or percentage savings. And if you just take a scroll through here, we can see all of the latest and greatest over at Home Depot. Now, some of this stuff will be out of stock, which is unfortunate, but you can see what you missed out on. Get a little FOMO. Like, oh man, if I was quicker, if I was checking this page every day, I probably could have got that super cheap. So again, updates every day with the latest discounts. Make sure to keep an eye on that. And I'll have that linked in the description down below. Everything else using the YouTube shopping links. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you next time.